My name's Callum, and this is a review for treestuff.com on the DMM Ultra O Carabiner. This carabiner is my kind of speed line chainsaw holding carabiner. It's got quite a big gate for an oval. It's a slightly offset oval, same size though as their locking Ultra O's. I find this quite nice to have even just the equipment centralized if I've got it on my chainsaw, or I can get it onto that toolbox handle. Just so much you can do with this carabiner. So it's a little bit expensive for me to use for speedline. I'd rather use something like the Omega Pacific, but it does have the clean nose, so less snagging. You can see a lot smaller nose as well, so better, more low profile when you're actually got it attached to stuff. So yeah, that's about as much as this carabiner is. It's a heavy duty accessory chainsaw carabiner, not for life support while rock climbing. So yeah, that's the DMM Ultra O non-locker.